Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode guys, we will be doing something with the engine again. Alright, and that is cleaning of the fuel injectors. Right, for those of you who have changed that part before, you should know, right, it is not a very cheap part, and especially BMWs, okay, they can be a bit more expensive. Yeah, and I also did some research online. Okay, I actually saw that you can actually clean them, on a budget. Alright, so in general, fuel injectors will last quite a long time, and if you maintain it properly, right, you can actually make it last even longer. So for today's episode guys, I will be showing you how I take out the fuel injectors and cleaning them. Yeah, how I actually clean them, okay, with some very simple tools. Links to the items will be in the description down below, right? Check it out. Alright, so for those of you who are new, please like and subscribe because we are down on subscribers, we need more. Alright, so without further ado, we're going to start this one. Alright, so let's go! guys, that's the end of the whole DIY. It actually took me about 1 to 2 hours, okay, of pure work. Alright, so I'm gonna end the video here because my neighbor is cleaning some stuff and it's really loud. I hope you guys can hear me. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please like, drop a comment down below on what you want to see, right? And subscribe. Alright, so guys, stay safe, stay healthy. Happy modding your car. Bye bye.